Hi guys, today we're going to do type 2 binary nomenclature practice sheet number 1, problem number 6. Explain how to do it from the formula to the name. So again, we always look at that first element, and we know that there's 2 there, the lowercase right there. There's our second element. So MO. Well, first of all, we got to find the name, and we got to determine whether it is type 1 or type 2, okay, or possibly type 3. So we're going to go ahead and look at our periodic table, find MO. MO is right there. Oops, I didn't want to do that. So MO is right there. And once we do this, we're going to go ahead and look at our other sheet that we have on page 13. MO is somewhere in here. So we know that it is in blue. So in fact, it is a type 2. Okay, so we know that it is type 2 because blue is type 2. So we're going to go back to our sheet, and we know it's type 2. So we have to figure out what is the charge of AS. Well, first of all, what is AS? I don't know. This one was molybdenum. So AS is going to be above the staircase. So right there it is arsenic. Arsenic is right here. So PNAS, arsenic. Let's go over to this one right here. Arsenic is right here. So arsenic is above there. Now there's not a charge here, but because it is in this column and it's above the periodic table, we know that it's going to be a -3. So we could actually put it in there. We could write in -3, but we're not going to, because the only reason it's a different color is because it is a semiconductor, okay, or a metalloid. So it means that I can sometimes make it work as a metal or a non-metal. In this case, we're using it as a non-metal. So let's go back to our thing, and we know that it's a -3, so we're going to go above this, and we're going to put a -3. Now, since I only have one of each one, whatever the charge of arsenic is must be the charge of molybdenum, okay? But it's got to be the opposite charge. So since there's only one of each one, whatever the charge of this one is the charge of that one. So we're going to say molybdenum 3 arsenic. Now, I don't know about you. I don't know how to spell it. So let's go back and take a look at this right here. And right there it is. And for me, I have to use my glasses. And so I'm going to look at it. MOLYBDENUM. So let's go back and see if I can spell it. All right. BDENUM. Molybdenum. And we know that its charge is 3. Oops. Put that in there. And then arsenic. But that's not right because it has to go to ide. So we're going to change that to ide. So it's arsenide. So molybdenum 3 arsenide. There's our formula right there, guys. So that's our name for that formula, MOAS, molybdenum 3 arsenide. Hey, good luck on the rest of them.